In a time where the lines between the digital and physical worlds blur, take a dive into the heart of how technology now holds the reins of power on the battlefield. Uncover the unsettling journey of how every click, code, and digital trace can fuel the fury of warfare, escalating tensions to a boiling point. Hi everyone, and thanks for returning to our channel. We have a very significant and relevant issue to discuss today: the role of technology in modern warfare. We'll go in depth on the growing use of technology in combat, including everything from artificial intelligence integration to drones and cyber warfare. Not only that, but we'll also discuss potential consequences and ethical issues that this technological revolution may bring. So, stay tuned if you're eager to learn more about how warfare will develop the future. The evolution of warfare. Let's take an interesting tour through the history of warfare. Technology has continued to be a major factor in changing the nature of warfare, from the time of the ancient foot warriors to the horse age and the arrival of tanks and fighter jets. Nonetheless, we've seen a dramatic change in the last few decades. We are entering a new era where technology has a greater and more revolutionary impact than ever before on modern combat, with its role rising to levels that were previously unimaginable. The rise of drones. Drones are definitely one of the greatest technological achievements of our time, and they represent a revolutionary advance in modern warfare. Their ability to conduct pinpoint surgical strikes, obtain intelligence, and conduct precise reconnaissance certainly altered the face of military strategy. Their remarkable ability to maintain a secure separation from human operators lowers the risks involved in the arena of war. One crucial question that comes to mind as we marvel at this technological miracle is, what significant consequences will accompany this transformative shift? Drones have the potential to completely transform warfare, but they also present difficult ethical, legal, and tactical issues. We must embrace this innovation's potential while being cautious of unintended consequences if we wanted to continue being a positive force. Cyber warfare. Moving on to the field of cyber warfare reveals an unprecedentedly large battleground. In this domain, business and governments employ state-of-the-art digital weapons and employ sophisticated instruments to plan attacks on competitor computer networks, primarily aimed at data theft, disruption, or infiltration. However, the consequences of this cyber warfare goes far beyond the lines of code, casting serious doubt on security and national sovereignty. In order to protect our digital future, we must acknowledge that the stakes are higher than ever, and that we must strengthen our defenses and adjust to this changing environment. Artificial intelligence in warfare. Artificial intelligence is obviously being quickly incorporated into military operations, which has significant implications. It is crucial to utilize artificial intelligence's abilities for quick data processing, quick decision-making, and accurate equipment operation. Still, it raises important issues that require our careful consideration, especially when determining the ideal balance between human supervision and AI's independence. Determining this boundary is crucial at this point in time. So, we must carefully draw this line in order to make AI a powerful ally in achieving our strategic goals while maintaining the cornerstone of our moral values. It's simple to make this decision. Let's responsibly embrace AI and realize its potential while maintaining a moral compass that helps us stay loyal to our principles. Ethical dilemmas. It is obvious that there is a huge ethical responsibility associated with enormous technological power when one considers the moral challenges these cutting-edge technologies present. The use of AI and drones in warfare presents serious ethical issues that need to be addressed right away. It is critical that we determine how to use these innovations in a way that respects international law and human rights. It is not only a matter of choice, but an absolute ethical requirement to answer this crucial question. It cannot be emphasized how important it is for us to travel this risky path with honesty and justice. Potential consequences. It is now appropriate to examine the possible results. Warfare using technology can increase the intensity of battles, but it also offers a chance to lower the number of human casualties. As we stand at a crossroads where technology integration has the potential to shape the future of international security, the broader implications for geopolitics and global stability need to be carefully considered. In order to achieve our goal as a safer world, we must carefully consider and negotiate this challenging environment where technology offers both advantages and risks. So now, we are at a turning point in our analysis as we wrap up our look at the crucial role that technology plays in modern warfare. The world's future will be significantly shaped by our ability to use these technological advances. This goes beyond simple conflict analysis. Rather, it addresses the moral and ethical foundations of our society. Stay tuned for more comprehensive and intuitive content like this. See you soon in the next video.